Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationships between the side lengths and angles of triangles, particularly right-angled triangles. It uses core functions like sine, cosine, and tangent to find unknown distances and angles. History in India. The Surya Siddhanta in 4th to 5th century CE. This foundational astronomical text contains the oldest known trigonometric tables. It broke down a quadrant of a circle into 24 equal parts to calculate precise sine values. Aryabhata, in 499 CE. In his treatise Aryabhatiya, he calculated the first highly accurate table of sine differences using radians. He also introduced kotijya, the cosine, and utkramadya, the versed sine. Varahamihira, in 505 CE. He expanded trigonometric formulas in his work Panchasiddhantika, discovering foundational identities like sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Brahmagupta, in 628 CE. He introduced a unique interpolation formula to calculate sine values for any intermediate angle without needing a massive physical table. Bhaskara II, in 12th century. He discovered key spherical trigonometry formulas, including the addition and subtraction formulas for sine. Sine a plus minus b equals sine a cos b plus minus cos a sine b. Basic ratios. Sine, sin, opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Cosine, cos, adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Tangent, tan, opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Reciprocal functions. Cosecant, reciprocal of sine. Secant, sec, reciprocal of cosine. Cotangent, cot, reciprocal of tangent.